asking. Thank you for the silver. Hi, today is my birthday, but due to work being tight, I noticed that Nerissa isn't streaming. So can I get a hey baby bird from you instead? What? So I'm your second choice? What? What? So I'm your second choice? You wanted Nerissa to tell you happy birthday first, but you can't. So now you're asking me? Okay, but I'm gonna do it so that way I'm your first choice, okay? If I do this, I'm gonna be your first choice from now on, okay? Okay, I am now your OC. Hi, baby bird. There you go. There you go. I better be your first choice now. That was pretty powerful. Happy birthday. Dang it.